Hello everyone, I am Samir Abdi. Today we are going to discuss photosynthesis. So the term is itself including photo. Photo means light. Synthesis means something is in the process of building. Okay? In the process of building. Okay? So what is actually happening in photosynthesis? Uh, who perform photosynthesis? So as we know that photosynthesis generally performed by the plants or cyanobacteria. Okay, but how they are able to perform photosynthesis? Because they are having a special molecule that we call chlorophyll. Okay, why chlorophyll molecule is more important in performing photosynthesis? Because we are, as a human being, we are not able to capture the light and utilize that energy something in the process of like something to reduce or something to utilize as a substrate, that we cannot make the substrate. But the plant and cyanobacteria, they utilize that sunlight and they use other inorganic material and convert into the organic material. So the plants the plants are the main organism that actually connect the inorganic world to the organic world. That means, so what actually I am referring that about inorganic world. That means in organic world we are having atmosphere and lithosphere. That means soil and land. Then hydrosphere and there is biosphere. So a lot of things are there. So why I am saying that the photosynthesis connect the inorganic world to the organic world. So here we will discuss. So in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and hydrogen is being utilized by the plant, and that in the process of in the presence of chlorophyll, it convert into the glucose. Okay, that means CO2, H2O and light, these all are inorganic material. Okay, inorganic things. But carbon containing compound, that is glucose, is an organic compound. Okay, in the process of photosynthesis there occur liberation of oxygen. So that oxygen is pretty much requirement for us to utilize the energy. Okay, so that's why we are saying that photosynthesis is a process that connects inorganic world with the organic world. Okay, so how does it perform? The plants or the cyanobacteria, they perform photosynthesis. So they are having a special organelle in their cell. So let's consider a plant cell. Okay, consider it. Here there occurs a special cell organelle that we call chloroplast. Okay, so I'm making it a little bit bigger. So how it actually happens is a double membranous cell organelle. Okay, in that there occur a small coin-like structure that is called grana. Okay, and the piles of this grana are called thylakoid. thylakoid. So there will be a lot more thylakoid in that chloroplast. So I'm just making another one. So a membranous structure that connect to thylakoid is called stroma lamellae. Okay, and this the remaining space is called stroma. Okay, so we were saying that chloroplast or the plants contain chlorophyll. So where it actually resides? So chlorophyll resides in the membrane of these grana or this thylakoid. Okay, so these chlorophyll molecule capture the light and it takes water and carbon dioxide and convert it into a C6H12O6. Okay, so here the whole process we will be discussing here. So how it actually happens? So directly it converts carbon dioxide and water into the carbohydrate, or how it actually happens? It happens in a two process. First, there occur light reaction, and another one is called dark reaction. So what actually happens in the light reaction? Photosynthesis, chlorophyll captures the light, and then the energy of that light is stored in a molecule called NADH or ATP. Okay, so we will discuss the whole process, how it actually captures, how it transform this, how it makes NADH, how it makes ATP, and these ATP and NADH are utilized to convert this CO2 into C6H12, that is glucose. Okay, so here what is actually happening? So this one is CO2 is reducing. That means there is a reduction processes happening in CO2. If CO2 is getting reduced, then H2O is getting oxidized. H2O is oxidized to O2 and CO2 is reduced to C6H12O6. So in the process of reduction, the NADH and ATP are utilized to reduce this CO2. So where it happens, first the light reaction will happen at the membrane of these thylakoids. Okay, and the energy which is stored in the form of NADH and ATP, these will utilize the CO2. So CO2 will be here and H2O. That means the dark reaction will occur in the stroma of chloroplast. Okay, so here it will occur the dark reaction, and light reaction is happening at the membrane. Okay.